Hi there, guys! So, if you're part of the online review program, again, this is another advanced lesson for you guys para maihabol ito. Please don't share the link muna with the others. Raw file ito. I'll share the free video lesson naman din doon sa ating free page at saka sa YouTube channel natin as soon as matapos siyang i-edit. Okay? So, ito, advanced muna sa inyo. I'll discuss the lesson first and then we're going to go straight to dun sa quick quiz. Okay? Okay, so ang first one that you will encounter na symbol would be the equals. Ang equals is the pinaka-basic. Ito yung equalities na sinasabi kasi, di ba, yung mga formula natin dyan, kaya x minus 3 is equal to 4, yung ganon. Equality ang tawag dyan. Yun ang pinaka-simple. So, pag equals ang sign, x is equal to 3, sa number line, kung idodrawing ko siya sa number line, that would be just a point in the line. So, 3 mismo. X is equal to 3. Siya mismo yan, yung 3 na yan. Things will start to get complicated if you encounter symbols like this one. Ito less than. So, pag sinabi na x is less than 3, ano ang implication niya sa number line? Kung ito ang number line mo, una sa lahat, hindi nakasama yung 3. Bakit? Kasi ang hinahanap mo is any number which is less than 3. So, ang 3, hindi na siya kasama. Dito pumapasok yung hollow. Hollow point siya. Ibig sabihin, hindi siya kasama. Yung 3 mismo hindi kasama. Pero anything less than 3 kasama. Kapag less than, ibig sabihin, ang ating guhit pa left. Okay? So, pasok ang any number which is less than 3. Okay? So, ang 2 pwede, ang 1 pwede, 0 pwede, ang 1.5 pwede kasi less than 3 pa rin siya. So, again, the symbol would be like that. Any number that is less than 3 pero hindi kasama ang 3 mismo. Okay? Now, kapag greater than naman, ito ang symbol which looks like this, x is greater than 3. Sa number line, ang mangyayari would be, again, hindi pa rin kasama ang 3, kasi we're talking about numbers that are greater than or more than 3. Pero ang line natin would start with, dyan, papunta naman siya sa right. Kasi any number na mahigit sa 3, so we have 4, 5, 6, sila ang kasama dun sa possible na options. Ganyan ang itsura niya. Okay? Next, we have this, less than or equal. Kapag less than or equal, x is less than or equal than 3, ang difference niya, kamukha siya nitong less than. Pero dahil or equal, this time kasama na yung 3. So, again, shaded pa rin siya. 3 can be the answer kasi it's equal siya sa 3. Okay? So, less than or equal 3, again, ang arrow natin pa left. Okay? So, ang difference lang niya is this time, again, kasama na yung 3 mismo. Okay? Kasi pwede nang equal sa 3. Okay? Now, yung greater than naman, greater than or equal than 3, if x is greater than or equal to 3, the number line would look like this. Kasama yung 3, kasi nga, again, or equal. So, pwede rin na siyang pumasok. And then, the arrow would be pa right. So, magkahawig siya, kaya lang, kapag less than lang, hindi kasama yung mismong number. Kapag greater than lang, hindi kasama yung mismong number. Pero pag greater than or equal, tsaka less than or equal, kasama na yung mismong number na minention. Yun ang pinaka-structure niya. Now, ano ang implication niya kapag we're dealing with, actual equations or actual na inequalities. Okay, let's try this, no? We have two na magkamuka. Nandito. Ito is an equality kasi equal yung sign. Ito, inequality kasi hindi equal yung sign. Now, when you're solving this, again, I discussed this dun sa ating equalities na series. Panoorin nyo na lang sa taas kung naguguluhan pa rin kayo sa rules, no? Ang mangyayari dito would be, ang goal natin is to leave x. Iiwanan yung x sa isang side, okay? Much like our own x's sa totoong buhay, iwanan mo siya sa isang side. So, iwanan natin siya sa left side. It's common to leave it on the left side, okay? So, ang gagawin natin, itong digits na to ililipat natin sa kabila. Ang mangyayari dyan would be negative 16x is equal to, and then yung 50, dahil positive siya dito, pag nilipat mo siya sa kabila, kabaliktaran, 18 minus 50. Naging minus na siya. And then here, you have magiging 16x, bale, is equal to, and then negative 32. Okay, next. Para makancel itong negative 16, i-divide natin both sides by negative 16. Makakancel ito, maiiwanan yung x is equal to, and then we have negative 32 divided by negative 16. That is just positive 2. So, the answer is x is equal to 2. Okay? Ngayon, we're going to do the same exact process pagdating dito. Kaya lang, I'll show you kung ano yung pinagkaiba niya. Okay? Again, same rules apply. So, negative 16x is less than, and then you have 18 minus 50. At this point, magkamukha pa sila, tama? Magkamukha pa sila maliban doon sa symbol na nasa gitna. So, you have negative 16x is less than 18 minus 50 or negative 32. Okay? So, again, magkamukha pa sila. Saan magkakaroon ng pagkakaiba? Magkakaroon ng pagkakaiba kapag nag-divide ka sa negative number. Okay? When you divide or multiply an inequality, inequality lang ha, sa equality walang pagkakaiba. Divide or multiply by a negative number, may mangyayaring kakaiba. Ang mangyayari would be, babaliktad yung symbol. Okay? Again, kapag nag-divide or multiply ka by a negative number sa isang inequality, kapag hindi equals yung sign, babaliktad siya. Okay? So, ito, makakancel pa rin naman yan. This will still be x. Kaya lang, yung negative 32 divided by negative 16, again, that will still be 2, right? Pero hindi mo pwedeng kopyahin na pag ganun yung inequality. Dahil nag-divide ka by a negative number, babaliktad siya. So, the answer will be x is greater than positive 2. Okay? So, again, it's almost the same unless you divide or multiply it by a negative number. Ang sagot dito is greater than, hindi less than. Kasi bakit? Kasi nag-divide ako sa negative 16. So, yan yung pinaka-prominent na rule. Okay? Pag nag-divide ako by a negative number or nag-multiply ako by a negative number, yung yung direction ng pagkain ng buhaya, di ba ganyan kasi yung turo sa atin sa school noon eh, kinakain niya yung number, yung kung saan siya nakaharap, babaliktad siya. Okay? So, let's try another one. Paano kung ganito? Alright? Greater than or equal. Again, wala namang magbabago generally sa rules, maliban sa kung you're dividing it by a negative number or actually, the x will be followed sa direction. Let me show you this, okay? Again, let's try with the equality first. So, 20 is equal to 3x plus 8. Para maiwan yung x sa isang side, pwede kong ilipat yan doon. So, 20 minus 8 is equal to 3x. So, 20 minus 8, okay? Ang 20 minus 8 is 12 is equal to 3x. Para maiwan yung x sa isang side, divide ko sila both sides by 3. Makakancel ito. 12 divided by 3 is 4. So, the answer is x is equal to 4. Bakit? Kasi ang 4 equals x at x equals 4, wala namang pinagkaiba. Pareho lang yan na sagot. Now, let's try the same method dito. So, 20, and then, minus 8. Okay? Ganyan siya. Is greater than or less than 3x. So, this will be 12 pa rin. Ganyan pa rin ang direksyon kasi hindi naman ako nagdi-divide pa ng negative number. Now, pag dinivide ko to kasi gusto ko maiwan yung x sa isang side, dinivide ko siya sa 3. Unang tanong, babaliktarin ko ba yung sign? Hindi, kasi positive siya. Kung negative number, dun mo lang siya babaliktarin. Okay? So, this will be 12 divided by 3, that is 4. Ganyan pa rin yung symbol. Makakancel to, this will be x. However, okay, you may encounter doon sa options sa exam ninyo, yung sagot na x, tas ganyan, 4. Bakit? Kasi, this is equal to that. Okay, ang nagmamatter sa inequality ay kung kanino nakaharap yung bibig. Dito ang nakaturo siya sa 4. So, kung babaliktarin ko siya, dahil customary to leave x sa left side, kasi nga x dapat left behind. So, x is on the left. Ang mangyayari lang, kung i-rewrite ko siya, ilalagay ko yung muka or yung bunganga, nakaturo pa rin siya sa 4. Kasi dito, nakaturo siya sa 4. So, yung direction doesn't change. Pag flip ko siya, i-flip ko rin yung symbol. Okay? So, this will be your best answer. But again, that is just the same as this one. Kaya lang sa options usually, lalo na sa exams, yung x is usually on the left side. Yun yung, parang yun yung mas pleasant na tingnan na rule. Okay? So again, magbabaliktad lang ako ng sign or ng symbol ng inequality kapag number 1, nag-multiply or divide ako ng positive number, ng negative number, or kung babaliktarin ko yung position ng x. Kapag binaliktad ko yung position ng x, ifa-follow niya yung kung saan nakaharap yung bibig. So, in this one, I'm going to give you 3 questions, and I'm going to give you 5 minutes to answer all 3 questions correctly. Okay? If you're ready, let's do this. Alright, let's see how you did. Let's start with the first one. So sabi, negative 5x plus 30 is greater than 10. So again, isasolve lang natin siya. Just being mindful na when you're dealing with negative numbers, ibabaliktad mo yung direction, and also if you're going to switch yung position ng x. Now, in this case, this is negative 5x. Imumove ko to sa kabila, and to do that, gagawin ko siyang minus. So 10 minus 30. So negative 5x is greater than 10 minus 30, which is negative 20. Again, I'm just subtracting positive 30 sa positive 10. Kung naguluhan dito ng onte, ibig sabihin hindi pa kayo masyadong magaling sa integers. Panoorin nyo muna yung series ko sa integers. Ililink ko rin siya dito sa taas. Okay. So, negative 5x is greater than negative 20. Iwanan natin yung x sa isang side, so which means i-divide natin siya both sides by negative 5. And since negative number to, ang mangyayari would be, itong direction nito, mapapalitan siya, magiging ganyan siya. Kasi again, if you're dividing or multiplying by a negative number, babaliktad yung direction nung inequality mo. So this will be negative 5x divided by negative 5. That will just be x. This is negative 20 divided by negative 5. That is just 4. So the answer is x is less than 4. Okay, I hope you got that right. So, kung hindi nyo nabaliktad to, go ahead and watch the video lesson. Again, like I told you guys, kapag nag-divide or multiply ka ng number na negative, babaliktad yung direction nung inyong inequality. Okay? Next, we have this. So, 100 is less than or equal sa 11x plus 14. Again, same rules apply. Ililipat natin to. Magiging minus siya. So, 100 minus 14 is less than or equal to 11x. Here, this will leave you with 90, so 86. Okay, is less than or equal to 11x. Okay? And then, ang gagawin lang natin is, i-divide natin both sides by kung ano yung 11 kasi para maiwan yung x sa isang side. So, i-divide natin pareho sa 11. Ganun pa rin ang sign kasi positive number naman yung dinivide natin. So, x. And then this will be 86 over 11. Now, again, it's customary na ang x is on the left side. So, para mabaliktad ko yan, it will still be equal x. At dahil sa kanya nakaharap yung buhaya or yung mouth, this will be like that. And then 86 over 11. Or, kung gusto nyong i-divide, that would be 7 and 77 kasi. So, 9 over 11. Okay? So, the answer is x is greater than or equal sa 7 and 9 over 11. Okay? So, I hope you got that right. Again, kapag mag-flip ako, ang ibig sabihin lang nun, it's either nag-divide ako ng negative number or pinalitan ko yung direction ng x. Kasi, susundan niya kung ano yung, kung saan yung kinakain niyang direction. Okay? Kasi pag binaligtad ko to, pero hindi ko binaligtad yung direction, ang mangyayari would be, the answer would be, magiging less than 86, which is wrong. Okay? Alright, number 3. So, ito, dalawa siya. Ngayon, minsan, you would encounter this sa problems. Huwag kayong matakot. Ang gagawin lang dito is, kung anong ginawa mo dito sa left side, gagawin mo rin sa right side. Yun ang rule. Okay? So, if you're going to solve this, you can either do it na hiwalay, actually, or mas maganda kasi diretso para hindi ka magkamali. Okay, let me show you how to do it, okay? So, una sa lahat, tatanggalin natin yung 3. Para matanggal ko yung 3, imumultiply ko siya lahat sa 3. Okay? Kasi magiging 3 over 3 siya or 1. Makakancel ito. So, itong 3, imumultiply ko siya dito. This will be negative 90. Tapos, kopya lang yung sign. Imumultiply ko siya dito, makakancel again yung 3. So, maiwan nyo sa'yo yung x minus 4. And then, imumultiply ko uli siya sa 12. That would be 36. Okay? Now, ang gagawin ko naman, tatanggalin ko tong negative 4. So, in order for me to do that, babaliktarin ko. Magiging negative 90 plus 4. Ganyan siya, maiwan yung x. Dito, magpa-plus 4 ka rin. So, that would be 36 plus 4. So, you have here, negative 86 is less than x is less than, and then you have 36 plus 4, which is 40. Okay? At dahil itong pattern naman yan, wala nang magbabago dyan kasi mas maliit naman talaga yung negative 86 kasi sa 40. The answer would be any number that is greater than 86 and less than 40. Yan yung magiging sagot. Okay? So, I hope you got that right. If you didn't, then go ahead and watch the video lesson muna. Okay? Alright, so if you're part of the online review program, again, practice lang ng practice. I'm trying to make more of these, so please be patient din with me. That's also the reason why I haven't been too active dun sa ating group. Kasi hinahabol ko tong mga to habang may boses pa ako. So medyo pawala na rin siya, pero push natin to. Okay, so I hope nakatulong sa inyo. And again, please don't share this muna with the others. Ipopost ko rin naman sa ating YouTube channel for free. So I just need to edit yung intro and outro na video for that. Okay, thanks guys, and yun, I'll see you online.